A great man once said, "Shoot for the moon. Even if you miss, you'll land among the stars."
Shooting stars were passing by as flames we were dancing in the fire.
Musik itu ekspresi, sedih, senang, mellow, semuanya campur aduk.
Connection is also important. Yeah, we have to deliver certain feelings to our audience.
Pas gue masih kuliah, gue coba semua alat musik, terus ketemu temen yang sama-sama freaknya di musik.
I remember I was performing and I was wearing my 501s from Levi's. Maybe they became my lucky pants because they just fit me so well and they're so comfortable.
From me, I can't help but see the beauty in everything.
Sampai Lani nih, dia kalau punya ide bikin lirik selalu dicoret-coret tuh di celananya kayak gini. Iseng banget.
We can find inspiration for our music anywhere, and Levi's is just the perfect match for us.
Levi's itu original, simple, dan gue banget. We are icons.
And this is how we live in Levi's.